Since these are chameleon gels, why don't we do a reptilian inspired mani, maybe alligator? I'm going to take this Model 1's white gel polish and I'm going to apply that to the middle finger and to the pinky, turning my nails over to even out the gel. Then I'm going to cure it in the lamp, and after that is cured, I'm going to take this 4-in-1 gel glue. It is a glue for Gel X nails, but you can also use it for a watercolor gel, and the key to this alligator design is a watercolor effect. I'm going to apply the gel over the nail, then I'm going to take the green gel polish and put short stubby lines going down the nail and dots on the side of the nail. This gel glue pools and blurs the color, giving it a watercolor look. It makes the dots and lines that I did look like an alligator's skin, scales. I'm not sure what you call an alligator's skin. Once you cure it in the lamp, the gel polish will stop blurring. I'm going to apply that to the nail with a thin, even coat. Then I'm going to turn my nails over to even out the gel. Then I'm going to cure that in the lamp. Please stay tuned for the grand reveal. I absolutely loved how these nails turned out. It was so easy to do this design. And for our journey to continue, please click right here. And remember, Ascenders, our dreams will ascend to the highest peak. Love ya. I'll see you in my next. Meow. Bye.